In today's online education, one of the biggest challenges is the lack of motivation and a sense of isolation within online classrooms. Instead of recorded content, conducting regular live classes can help to a certain extent. However, even online live classes conducted in virtual classrooms suffer gravely from low levels of interactivity and engagement of students. Usage of a variety of tools not designed for teaching is one of the primary reasons for this lack of interaction. Using screen share in video conferencing tools as the primary mode of teaching aggravates this problem and throws up a lot of challenges around material sharing and lack of control in the virtual classroom. When teachers use screen sharing, students are privy to any material that is displayed on the teacher's desktop, from their private files and folders, open documents, chats to open videos and websites in web browsers. On the flip side, students shy away from sharing their screens with the class as it is visible to the whole class, while they might be keen to share it only with the teacher. Or sometimes they share undesired content to disrupt the class, aka Zoom bombing. These challenges around giving out classwork, checking completed student work, and giving one-on-one feedback prevents teachers from conducting an effective interactive class. In addition to problems of interactivity and sharing, teachers struggle to gauge the understanding level of the class due to the absence of body language cues and lack of active class participation. Even in physical classrooms, they typically get feedback only from a handful of active students. There is a widespread practice of using video conferencing tools with multiple plugins. This just creates an extra burden on teachers with the requirements of training multiple tools and importing and exporting data between the various tools and platforms. If data is the new oil, this practice of using multiple tools is creating the biggest data spill. This splitting of data across different platforms gives the teachers incomplete analytics at best. There is a need for a one-stop virtual classroom solution that gives the right level of control and privacy, active classroom participation and interactions, and enables assignment and submission of classwork without embarrassment. Link Classroom strives to solve these challenges and is an integrated platform where a teacher can conduct interactive and effective classes for both teachers and students. Using Link Classroom's unique smartboard technology, a teacher doesn't have to use screen sharing all the time and has complete control to prepare and present different multimedia to their classes. For example, all the students could be watching a presentation shared by the teacher, while the teacher could be working on a whiteboard or monitoring student videos. This selective sharing allows not only for better control and privacy, but also facilitates a distraction-free class due to a smoother multimedia transition. Unlike other platforms, Link Classroom's student-side cloud recording ensures a very high-quality reusable recording because it records what the students are seeing rather than recording the teacher's full screen. Link Classroom empowers the teachers to collect anonymous feedback about the understanding level of the students during the live class itself, allowing for dynamic course correction rather than collecting feedback at the end of the week or end of the month or semester when it is too late. Teachers can ask quick questions or conduct live quizzes, which can be prepared in advance or prepared during the live class to gauge a deeper understanding level of the subject across all students rather than a few active ones. While ending a live class, teachers can selectively share the recording, whiteboard, and other materials used in the live class instead of having to remember to do it later. Students can ask questions related to any conducted lecture, watch recordings, refer to shared whiteboards, live quizzes, and their results, and even the transcript of the chat of the live class. Teacher can create and publish assignments and quizzes even outside the live class, which students can attempt and submit in Link Classroom itself. Link Classroom also supports functions of managing an institute by allowing the administrator to manage batches, teachers, students, schedule lectures, and manage timetables. Students can also use a mobile app to study and never miss out a lecture. These features, along with support for secure white-labeled website for clients and provision of student mobile app, truly makes Link Classroom a seamlessly integrated single platform enabling teachers to teach and students to learn in a very interactive, affecting, and engaging manner.